Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a close-up of the new Godzilla Minus One character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our close-up of Godzilla Minus One, let's begin right here at the eyebrow. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to come down, and then I'm going to bring it back. Next, I'm going to begin by making a line that just curves down, up, and around for the eye. We'll make a line that curves here. And then another one that goes down and up. And then I like to just color in the pupil, but I like to leave just a little bit white. I'm going to bring a little line that's going to come around. It's going to go up and down. Then I'm going to curve a little line here. I'm going to curve another one here. And I'll curve another one right up here. And I like to leave a little bit of space in between these just to make it look a little more realistic. I'm going to make a line that comes up. And we're going to go and bring it back in here for the other eyebrow. And we'll just make a line that comes down and in to show where that other eye is going to be. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then another one that just comes up and down here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line over, and we're going to come down for the nose. And we're going to curve in and then down. And then I'm going to have a little line that comes around here. I'll make a little line that's just going to come in. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then down. I'm going to bring this up and then down here. I'm going to curve this around and up. And then I'm going to curve this over to here. And then I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to make a little line that comes down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down for the mouth. And then I'm going to bring it up, but I'm not going to go all the way because I still got to add some teeth in there. Bring a little line around here. And we're going to bring it right up to here. I want to make a little line that's going to come down and up. And then as I come out here, I'm going to add some little spikes and stuff on here. Now, before we go any farther, let's add some teeth and do some detail on the mouth. So I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to make a line that goes down and up like a V shape for one of the teeth. And I'm going to add more teeth. I'm going to keep them a little bit smaller in the front, and I like to make them look like they are behind the other one. So instead of starting at the top, I like to start right here and just go down and up, making them a little bit smaller. And I'm going to do this all the way across here too, kind of using that same technique. And then right here, I'm just going to make a couple lines for like the back of the mouth. Now I'll do the same thing here. I'll start in just a random spot, and I'll start making these teeth. We're going to go up and down, kind of doing that same technique. Instead of starting right at the bottom, I start kind of at the halfway point. And then we'll do that same thing all the way to here. And then I'm just going to make some little teeth right across here. Then I'm going to make a little line that just connects these right here. And a couple more teeth. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down. And another one that just curves down. Now we're going to bring it back up. Now let's move up here. So I'm going to bring a couple of these lines down, and I'm going to bring a line that's just going to come around here. I'm going to make a couple little curved lines right around the inside of the eye. And then I'm just going to make a broken line that's going to come out and then in. We're going to go down and in. And we're going to do this all the way down to here. I'm going to make a couple little lines coming up here. And then I'm going to continue a few of these lines right around here. Next, I'm going to start adding some spikes and stuff on here. Almost kind of like little shark fin shapes. I'm doing them right on top of these lines, kind of curve them. And we're just going to do these all the way across here. We'll put a couple more on here. Next, I'm going to bring a broken line down here. And then I'm going to make a few more lines coming right across here. Now right here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come around and up. And I'm going to do this all the way across here for the neck. And we're going to bring this down. I'm going to make some more of these kind of like little spike shapes around here, just to add some little detail and everything. I'm going to make a few more bigger spikes right along the back here. And then I'm going to make a couple long pointed spikes back here to kind of show where his big dorsal fins are. Going to add some broken lines on these. I'm going to make some long lines that come down here. And then I'm going to add a little bit of these texture lines in here. Make some lines on the eye. And then a few more lines over here. I'm going to make some broken lines that come across here. And then some lines are going to kind of curve down here. So we're just going to make some lines all around here. And making some more that come down. Then we're going to make just some more little random spikes. And we're just going to kind of put some little spikes and stuff all around here. We'll just add a few little details all over. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Godzilla Minus One close-up. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.